Somewhere, somehow, previously I said that index is what we use to access an individual character out of a or all the characters in a string. And this is the syntax properly. A character with an index I in a string S is accessed using the syntax S, a pair of square brackets enclosing I, where S is a string and I is the index or the position of the character we are trying to access in the string S. Okay, let's look at the practical application of the syntax by looking at the example we have. Example 1, we have a string boy and we are trying to access the character at index 0, as it can be at index 0, and the output is B, because the first character in the string boy is B. And to avoid confusion, I maintain the same string boy, okay, in this example. And in example 2, we are trying to access the character at index 1, which is O, because the second character in the string boy is O. Don't forget that counting in programming starts from 0. Okay, so second is 1, first is 0 in programming. First is 0, second is 1, third is 2. Get used to this, please. Okay, and this is example 3. In the same character, in the same string boy, we are trying to access or allocate the character at index 2, and the output is Y. Okay, there is something important I need to talk on here. If, for example, you pass 3 here instead of 2, their program will get crashed. You know why? Because it is an illegal attempt in the world of programming. You are trying to access something that doesn't exist, because you are trying to access a character at index 3. Character at index 3 in the string boy doesn't exist. Okay, so because the last character in the string boy has an index of 2. The last character has an index of 2. So when you are trying to access a character at index 3, you are trying to access something or locate something that doesn't exist, and the program will get crashed.